So we have created a documentation for table of content. Now we'll create the table of content. See, first just we'll place the cursor in the starting. Otherwise, just take the page break. Go to the insert, click on page break. See, just our text is in the second page. We are in the first page because that table of contents needs a new page because we are taking in the starting of the document. That's why I have taken page break. See, then we are in the first page. That document starts from the second page. Now we'll insert the table of contents from the references tab. Go to the references. Go to the table of contents. See, there are many ways to insert a table of contents. There are few built-in table of contents are there, located there. Okay, by default there are three built-in table of contents are there: automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table. So otherwise there are other more table of contents from Office. From the online, from the office.com also you can take the table of contents. And if you want to create your own table of contents, go to the custom table of contents, locate there. Okay, there are different things are there. It's called print preview. So when I'm creating the table of content, you will get like this. Okay, first go to the table of contents. Just I'm selecting first one, automatic table of contents. See, now I got this table. Okay, why I'm getting like this means just there are different headings. See, first two are heading 1, second two are heading 2, and last two are heading 3. So that is the space here it was taken. Now see, otherwise directly you can insert from there also. If you don't want, go to the table of content, remove table of content, go to the table of content, go to the custom table of content, then you can say okay, look at there, directly you will get this. So go to the table of content, go to the custom table of content, you can take anything from here. See, these are many levels. See how many levels are there. You can take a number of levels because show levels 3. Just you can take 2. Look at there. Only heading 1, heading 2 will come. Okay. Replace this table of contents. Okay. See, we got only 2 headings. Heading 1, heading 2. Because in the table of contents, in the custom table of content, I have selected show levels 2 only. 3, 4, 5. Okay. See. Replace this table of content, but we got 3 only because we given only 3 levels. Again, go to table of content, go to custom table of contents. You can take 3 till 3 only because we have taken only 3. Then okay, okay. So go to the table of content, custom table of content. See, you can say show page numbers. See here, you can select page numbers, right alignment, and a tab leader, everything just will take here. Then after that you can say okay, you can say replace this table of content, and you can add the text also at level 1, level 2, level 3, and you can do update also. See, update the page numbers only. So whatever you want you can do update. You can observe here that is introduction 1, and this sample heading in the document is in the second page, and remaining 3 are in the third page, and the last one is in the fourth page. Just if you want to go there, place the cursor here, which heading you want, control left click. See, directly it went to that page where is the heading. So because already we created hyperlink for this, just I want to go to the introduction, place the cursor, control left click, see introduction. So directly it's very simple in the documentation because by default along with the headings, while creating the table of contents, by default we got the hyperlink also. See, place the cursor, you can find this one. See, current document, control plus click to follow link. So just place the cursor over there, control plus left click, automatically it goes to that heading.